Today I am reviewing the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle WIFI6 motherboard. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The GIGABYTE B550 Eagle WIFI6 motherboard is a powerful and versatile platform designed for gamers, content creators, and PC enthusiasts looking to build a robust AMD-based system. With support for AMD AM4 Ryzen 5000 series processors, this motherboard offers a perfect balance of performance, reliability, and modern connectivity features for both high-end gaming and productive workloads. At the heart of the B550 Eagle is its AMD socket AM4, which ensures compatibility with Ryzen 5000, 4000, and 3000 series processors. Whether you are upgrading an existing system or building a new PC from scratch, the motherboard provides a flexible platform that can handle everything from everyday tasks to demanding multi-threaded workloads, including content creation, streaming, and heavy gaming sessions. Power delivery is a key strength of this motherboard. The digital twin 10 plus 3-phase VRM solution, paired with premium chokes and capacitors, ensures stable and clean power to the CPU. This enhanced power solution means your processor can perform at its best under heavy loads without throttling, which is essential for both high-performance gaming and professional applications. It also offers a solid foundation for overclocking if you want to push a Ryzen CPU to its maximum potential safely. The thermal design of the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle WIFI6 is another standout feature. It comes equipped with advanced thermal armor, which includes enlarged VRM heatsinks layered with high-quality thermal pads. This design improves heat dissipation and keeps critical components cool during long gaming sessions or intensive workloads. Additionally, the motherboard features pre-installed I/O armor, which not only protects the rear connectors but also simplifies PC assembly for both beginners and experienced builders. When it comes to memory, the B550 Eagle doesn't disappoint. It supports DDR4 memory with 4 DIMM slots, giving you plenty of flexibility for future upgrades. The motherboard is also compatible with AMD EXPO memory modules, which ensures better performance and stability when running high-speed memory kits. Gamers and content creators alike will appreciate the ability to maximize system responsiveness and multitasking efficiency with ample high-speed RAM. Connectivity is another area where this motherboard excels. With Wi-Fi 6, you get next-generation wireless speeds and lower latency, perfect for online gaming, streaming, or downloading large files. The PCIe 4.0 support on the primary slot ensures compatibility with the latest high-speed graphics cards and NVMe SSDs, allowing for blazing fast storage and graphics performance. Speaking of storage, the motherboard includes 2 M.2 slots for NVMe drives, giving you plenty of room for ultra-fast SSDs, while the USB 3.2 Gen 2 and Gen 1 Type-C ports provide versatile and high-speed connectivity for all your peripherals. There's also 1 GB LAN for reliable wired internet connections, ensuring stable network performance during competitive gaming or professional work. The motherboard's ATX form factor makes it compatible with a wide range of cases, and its clean layout with labeled headers makes cable management and expansion simple. Whether you are installing multiple GPUs, additional storage drives, or advanced cooling solutions, the B550 Eagle provides a flexible and organized workspace for all your components. Overall, the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle WIFI6 motherboard is a comprehensive platform for anyone looking to build a high-performance AMD system. From its robust power delivery and advanced cooling to high-speed memory support, PCIe 4.0 compatibility, and Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, this motherboard offers everything needed for a future-proof, high-performance PC. It is ideal for gamers, streamers, and professionals who demand reliable performance, expandability, and modern features in their builds. With the GIGABYTE B550 Eagle WIFI6, you're not just getting a motherboard, you're getting a solid foundation for a powerful PC that can handle today's demanding games, tomorrow's workloads, and every upgrade in between. Whether you are assembling a new rig or upgrading an existing one, this motherboard ensures that your system runs smoothly, stays cool, and performs at its absolute best.